welcome to my channel DiySpy. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make 4 cute back to school notebooks which are extremely cute, unique and easy to make. I really hope that you guys will like this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So for the monster notebook, first cover your notebook with yellow paper and then draw a little monster upside down. Then paint your monster with pink acrylic paint. I don't know why my pink color later turned into orange, but you guys can use any color you like. And then apply another coat of paint with the help of a sponge to give a little texture to the monster. After that, paint the teeth with white color and the inside of the ears with pink color. And in the end, outline everything with black marker and then your cute monster notebook will be ready. For the dinosaur notebook, first cover your notebook with baby pink color sheet and then draw a dinosaur figure on it. Then paint the body of the dinosaur with dark green color and the scales of the dinosaur with light green color. After that, paint the heart with pink color and outline the dinosaur with black marker. Draw the eyes and the mouth of the dinosaur and then your cute dinosaur notebook will be ready. For the unicorn panda notebook, cover it with white sheet and then draw a panda on it with a unicorn horn. Outline the panda with black marker and then erase the pencil part. And then color the ears and the eyes of the panda with black marker. After that, apply rainbow colors with Sharpie on the panda's horn. And in the end, color the stars and then your cute panda notebook will be ready. And for the last rainbow cloud notebook, first cut out a cloud from a white paper. Then draw facial features on it and then color them as I'm doing here. After that, cover your notebook with purple sheet and paste the cloud on it and outline it with a black marker. Then apply glitter tapes on the mouth of the cloud. And in the end, cut the excess of the tapes with an X-Acto knife and then your cute cloud notebook will be ready. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You can watch more DIY notebooks from my previous year's videos linked down below. Please rate and subscribe so that you don't miss my next back to school DIY video. And please comment, as your feedback through comments, whether negative or positive, means a lot. Until then, see you next time. Bye!